Okay, I decided to start a new challenge, a challenge again, and it's actually growing a $500 account. I want to do something that is more accessible to other people. I want to see what I can do with a $500 account. Obviously, day one actually finished. It was a wild ride yesterday. The market was trading, so it was perfect. Today it's not so perfect, down a little bit. But spoiler alert, I got from $500. Currently, I'm 3x 1.6k. The peak was 2.8k. We're losing some trades. We are in 7 shorts right now. That I'll go over in a little bit. But before we start, just smash the like button. Keep in mind that the video is no financial advice, just a random dude on the internet. Subscribe if you want to see these daily updates. I can do these every day, day 1, day 2, day 3, and see how far I will go. Tell you my strategy, everything within the video. If you want to follow my journey in every single trade, because I did 54 trades yesterday, you can check out my crypto signals group. It was $99 a month. Out lowered the price to 49, I believe, after the video, so you can check it out in the description down below. Yeah, 1.7k right now. So first of all, go over my some proof and some screenshots of what happened. I'll just share my Telegram with no filters, so you can see what's going on here. So this is my Telegram. I'll actually make it a little bit bigger so you can see everything perfectly. I gotta unlock this. Okay, so this is my Telegram, as you can see, and I'll show you all these trades from yesterday. As you can see, 54 trades. I'll try to find the first screenshots. I believe these were the first ones. Here I was at 1.2k, up $700 on a trade. It just ran up really well. $200 on this trade, 11 $20, $11. That's at $800. So this was the start with $500. This was the second screenshot. This is the third screenshot at 1.5k. From 1.5k, we quickly went to 2.8k. This is the 2k mark. But then this is a 2.3k screenshot. Then we just had 21 trades, but we just had like 3 losses. It was our profit. But then we had a few losses. And end of the day, it's around 2k. Now I'm at 1.6k. I'm down a little bit for the day. This screenshot earlier this morning, like an hour ago or 30 minutes ago, I was at 2k again. We just need these shorts to play out, because that's not that easy. Chrome sushi. So this should be my screen. But there, yeah, let me just fix that. So yeah, I can probably tell you more about my strategy tomorrow if this video gets at least 10 likes. Just let me know. If you like the video, just comment down below. Want to see a part 2? I also share more about my strategy. I do use a lot of indicators. I use a screener to actually filter out my trades. If you're interested in any of that, just hit the subscribe button. And if you want to follow my trades, Telegram chat is in the description down below. See you next video. Bye.